The creation of Bhandasura, birth from Kamdeva's ashes. In the ancient scriptures of Hindu mythology lies the intriguing tale of Bhandasura, a formidable demon whose origins are shrouded in cosmic events. At the heart of his creation lies the dramatic incineration of Kamdeva, the god of love, and the subsequent emergence of Bhandasura from the ashes. The narrative unfolds amidst Lord Shiva's deep meditation, a state of profound detachment from worldly affairs. The gods, seeking to awaken Shiva's desires towards Parvati, sought Kamdeva's help. Armed with his sugarcane bow and floral arrows, Kamdeva aimed to disrupt Shiva's meditation, unaware of the consequences. However, Shiva, disturbed by Kamdeva's actions, opened his third eye in fury, reducing the god of love to mere ashes. This pivotal moment not only marked Kamdeva's downfall but also laid the foundation for the birth of a new force, Bhandasura. From the ashes of Kamdeva emerged Bhandasura, his very essence intertwined with the remnants of desire and illusion left behind by the god's destruction. The name, Bhandasura, derived from Bhanda, meaning impudence or shame, and Asura, denoting demon, reflected the nature of this newly formed entity, a being born from the consequences of impulsive actions. Empowered by his fiery origins, Bhandasura embarked on a path of formidable penance to appease Lord Brahma, the creator. His unwavering devotion led Brahma to grant him potent boons, rendering Bhandasura nearly invincible and capable of challenging the very gods. With his newfound powers, Bhandasura swiftly established his rule, spreading adharma and maya across the realms. The heavens trembled under his reign, and the gods faced a formidable adversary whose strength seemed insurmountable. Bhandasura's reign was marked by the proliferation of Maya, a potent force of illusion that clouded judgment and sowed discord. Under his influence, chaos reigned supreme, disrupting the cosmic order and plunging the realms into turmoil. The creation of Bhandasura from Kamdeva's ashes symbolized the cyclical nature of creation and destruction, where one force's demise led to the emergence of another, embodying the consequences of impulsive actions and the enduring struggle between good and evil in the cosmic tapestry of Hindu mythology.